What's up, folks? Dennis here in Cottage Country, and today we're going to show you the make easy way of how to start a campfire. So stay tuned.
This is Make Easy, how to make a campfire. In order to make a campfire, it's all in the preparations. Making a guest appearance is tchrpopsXL, and here's how he chops up big pieces into smaller pieces. Gather up your firewood in small, medium, and large pieces. Start by layering even thinner, dry pieces of kindling to get the fire started. We're using dry bark and cardboard to get it going. Birch bark works well too. Once you get the kindling going, layer the smaller pieces in a teepee pattern so that the fire has access to air. As the fire grows, add the bigger pieces. Once the fire is established, you're ready to throw in the big logs. And that's the make easy way of making a campfire. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment for more make easy outdoor tips and tricks. And until our next one, stay well, friends.